Everybody, this is Val with Tasty Sensations, and I have some spaghetti topped with cheese, and I'm going to get started. The air conditioner is on. If you hear any other noises. Um, my videos have eating sounds with them, and if you like that sort of thing and noises, um, hit that subscribe button. And if you have already hit that subscribe button and you are one of my subscribers, let the commercials play because that's how you support my channel. YouTube pay uh, people that create videos by letting the commercials play on the videos. That's how we get paid. If you skip the commercials, then there's no pay. The person just did all that hard work and brought a video before you, and they don't get paid for doing it. And if anybody have commercials on their videos, they do it because they want to get paid. Rest assured. Because you have to allow that. It just don't happen. That's me getting the business of YouTube, by the way. Look at that. See that sauce on my eyelash? Mm-hmm. I can turn the air off now. They done left there like they was so hot. And they turn the air on and leave. Let me cut it off. Excuse me for all that noise, y'all. Now I can relax. I'm at home by myself. There's no kids in the house. No extra noises. The air conditioner's not on. The dishwasher's not on. The washing machine and dryer is not running. The keg, the mini keg, beer keg is not on. I cut it off before I started. Because it makes a lot of noise. On video anyway, this mic pick it up. Now it's just me. Got some. They did. Yesterday was the 4th of July. We did not barbecue. We barbecue all the time, so we didn't barbecue. I made spaghetti yesterday. And here it is. We didn't eat spaghetti yesterday. I went to my brother-in-law's house. Had dinner with them. They had barbecue, but I didn't eat any because they soak their meat in vinegar. And because they leave it in there and then take it out of the vinegar and put it right on the grill, the meat tastes like vinegar, and I don't like that. But I ate plenty of the veggies. We have some good veggies. And I took my piece of cobbler over there. It's a potluck thing. Everybody bring a dish. I made this to come back home to. Some holidays, I just don't go out my way to try to celebrate. Only ones I actually cook for is Christmas and Thanksgiving. I don't do the New Year's peas, black eyed peas, and chitlins. People say it's good luck. I just think it's just a time when, during slavery, when people slaughtered the hogs during slavery and the beef. The slaves was grateful to get the chitlins or the guts from the beef to eat, or the pig feet or ears or some part that was discarded. And they had some black eyed peas or something that was weird. That was a good New Year's for them, so that was good luck. And then it's been carried on to this day and time now. And I don't think people really know where it came from. That we got the leftovers from the animals. Well, they got the leftovers from the animals. And it was good. It was a good day to have meat. This is actually really good. Put some butter on that bread. When I was little, I lived in New York, Buffalo, New York, and they used to have butter bread sandwiches folded like that. And you got it off the tray, and you ate the bread with your meal. I never saw the ghettos when I lived there. We weren't that far from Canada. You can look over. Once we went to the line, and watch Canada from the New York side, and Canada from the other side. My video is ready to be shared that I did this morning when I walked. If you're not part of my other channel, look down in the description box and check it out. Common courtesy. This is my walking video. That's what I talked about on my walking video. Excuse me. What I'm doing now is just uploading the video. There's too much light on y'all now. See, these are, I don't know how I can do this without y'all, that y'all see it without it being too bright in your face. It had been editing or producing, and now it's going to my channel. My channel is what I'm talking about is called Valerie Granville TV. That's my last name, Valerie Granville TV. If you haven't checked it out, please do. If you like what you see or hear, subscribe. Some people haven't even made it to this part when they watch the video. And they'll comment, oh, that looks good. I love spaghetti. And they hadn't even watched the video. I appreciate the comment. There's YouTube say y'all ain't watching them all the way through. You watch about two minutes of it. It tells you how much watch time is on your video. At least that's what they say, y'all. Some people may watch it all the way through. I appreciate that. I'm not gonna rush myself to eat today. I'm just gonna eat my meal because I want to enjoy it. I couldn't eat nothing in 2 minutes anyway. For the time that some people watching. Oh, that's some good stuff right there. Oh, y'all want to know what I'm drinking? It's that old-fashioned root beer taste. That's the taste from it. I ain't saying it's old-fashioned, but that's the taste you get. You know. Mm. On my leg. The bread was good. Independence from a king, huh? That's what it was all about. Oh, well, that didn't have nothing to do with us, y'all. That's what people that came over here that wanted their independence from a king. They wanted to come to a new place. But there is an independence that we have. When the Son is set free, is free indeed. That excuse me. That's just a normal burp doing videos. I don't like doing burp videos, and I won't be doing the completely burp videos. Just nothing but burp. I will not be doing that. There are some people that like to do that. I'm just not one of them. This is really good. I put in the work for my video. I'm actually doing 2 videos at the same time. I did that video this morning when I walk. I walk every morning, and I do a video. I talk to the people while I'm walking. I have faithful people that watch me every morning. And then I do cooking videos. And then I do, well, that's on that channel too, but do eating videos over here. Do a lot on that other channel. If you would like to know more about me besides what you see here, you'll probably see it on that other channel. This is very small part of me. This is my second channel. This is not my primary channel. Excuse me. Some people may think these are easy videos to make. All you gotta do is film yourself eating. But a lot of time goes into these videos. Getting your sound right, the editing, the lighting, the quality. Sometimes it's easier to just eat without going through all that. To have something to eat that's worthy of going on camera. Not having to go broke just to make videos by buying stuff to eat. So, in the beginning, learning how to do mukbang videos, you think you have to do Burger King, do crystals, do chicken, like Kentucky Fried Chicken or Popeyes or, spend money. Crab legs all the time, which can be very expensive, especially when your channel don't make no money. You do it a couple of times and those videos don't take you to the top, become very expensive. So if you're going to do mukbang videos, just best thing to do is show the people what you're eating that day. Somebody else would probably like that. And people that like all that special stuff, just fast food or just seafood, yeah, go to those videos. I kid you not. When I see a seafood video, I be wanting to watch it because I like those. You know, I'm just not able to do as many as I would like, but I do like them. My first cousin said that she was going to send me some king crab legs. I thanked her for them. It'd be nice if she will, but it's not necessary. But I do appreciate it. I'm full now. I'm gonna stay on camera till I eat this because if I stop the camera and I'm gonna eat that, I am throwing it in the trash. I can sit back and relax for a while. I'm full. Watch a couple of videos of my subscribers or people that I'm subscribed to. Some of them, not all of them, because I'm subscribed to a lot. I try to subscribe to everybody that's subscribed to me. If I miss somebody, I didn't get the notice in my email. Sometimes when you ask people to subscribe to you, when I subscribe to you, you subscribe to my channel, it goes into scam. And the only way it come out of scam if a person got a computer, a laptop to get it out of scam. If they use their phone to answer you, they'll never know you're in the scam because you can't get it out with your phone. If you repeat something all the time, it goes into the scam. If you ask people to subscribe to you, it goes into scam. Sometimes when I get a connection from a Wi-Fi and I have my laptop, but I don't have Wi-Fi in my house, and my phone is not a hotspot, then I would check my scam buttons for people who have been throwed in there and get them out. Now, right now I'm making this video on my laptop. Do I have to take this to a Wi-Fi to upload it? I have this sitting on a box so I can raise it up so y'all can see it. I'm gonna get out this thing. And I like water, y'all. And this is Val. This is how you do it. That was a lovely meal. And I thank y'all for joining me. I appreciate your time and your consideration. I sure could have been anywhere on YouTube watching anybody's videos, and you chose to watch mine. And I thank you for that. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And please don't forget to let the commercials play. And I thank you for it. Bye bye now.